Yeah. I got me some vote. 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 You should get you some vote. Fill up your bags. Back up the
YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader FX back with another video. Good morning, guys. I hope everyone makes it to work safe, back home safe, that y'all may have a blessed day, and that we get some nice little pumps today. I don't know. Listen, what is up with the other side of the world, man? Because every time I wake up, the market's pumping real nice. Big buys are happening, right? I mean, looky here for Volt, guys. For Volt, we had a 34 ETH buy last night, okay? Huge. 42 billion coins, bro. I'm jealous, man. I'm fucking jealous. So listen, man. Shout out to you, whoever bought that 34 ETH buy. Thank you. As you can see here on the charts, Volt started to go down last night, but created this pin bar rejection on the 4-hour, right? And then I guess that that 34 ETH buy gave us this nice big candle, bullish green candle. Okay, what does this mean for Volt? I don't know, guys. Like I tell you, it could look like it's pumping, right? And then when our markets open up for some reason, people are fearful and not much is going on in the markets. We're coming down. People are not putting in like the other side of the world, so it's bringing the markets down. You know what I mean? And Volt pumps when as well as following Ethereum, so it's correlated in a way. But also Volt can pump on its own. As you can see, we had this nice bullish candle off that big buy, right? So you know, it's really hard to say what's going on. Like, let's take a look at the crypto market right now. You know, so we're back over the 800 billion mark. Okay, very, very nice. We're up 0.21% increase for the day. We got Bitcoin back over 16,007. All right, it was down to, like, I believe 16,004, something around there, 400. Now we're back up at the 16,800 range. Okay, and we got Ethereum over 1,200. We got Dogecoin down to 7 cents. We have Cardano at 25 cents. We got Solana at 12, Shiba 5083, and we have Chronos at 5 cents. Sorry, I keep saying the other numbers. 5 cents. Okay, so you know, Ethereum is looking really nice as well. We have a nice little double bottom formed. Okay, as you can see, we have a double bottom formed. It can indicate a bullish signal. Right now we're at this resistance zone. Okay, we need to break this resistance zone to continue pushing up. Okay, if not, I'm gonna give you 3 scenarios of what can happen. What could possibly happen, right? Not financial advice though, guys. Not financial advice. But price can either come back down, right? Come up here, act like we're coming up here, right? Now we're coming back down, retest, and just pretty much range, right? Until we build pressure to either continue down or back up, right? Or price can either come up, retest, and push back up, right? Price can either come back down, retest, and break through this resistance zone, or we can see price coming up here, retesting it, right? And then breaking past through support, continuing on down. Okay, so those are 3 scenarios that can happen with Volt, where we can either come back here, break through this support, or come here, retest, range a bit, or break through. The only 3 things that can happen, right? So we shall see. We shall see how this day progresses. You know, I would love for it to pump, but to be honest, it's probably gonna continue to go down. It might just go down after here. Who knows? but I do know that price couldn't break this zone for all these candles represent 4 hours, right? 4 hour each candle. So it could mean that we're strong on this level and we can continue up, right? As you can see, past data shows that we react at this area, so we possibly could continue pumping up, right? Up to this area here. That would be nice. That would bring us close to 1300. I'll be at 1280 almost. So it all depends. It all depends, y'all. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So kind of want to do a little recap of what's been going on with Volt, right? I want to get back on Twitter right here, Volt Inu. All right, check it out. If you're not following, follow, and you can have up-to-date information on Volt, as well as my channel. You know what I mean? I will always keep y'all up to date as quick as I can. As quick as I can get the info, I will push it out, y'all. All right? So listen, we had an anniversary for Volt, y'all. Shout out to the Volt Army. Shout out to Batoshi. Shout out to Volt Team. Shout out to Pablo. Yeah, man. The whole project is amazing. If you guys want to read this was a message from Batoshi as well as a video on Pablo's page, okay? He has the anonymous, let me see, where is it? Real quick. Oh yeah, sorry, live, y'all. Right here. So y'all can go to his live section, go to the anonymous video. Here it says anonymous has a new message. Check it out. You know what I mean? You will be surprised. I also plug. I have, this is the whole video, but if, the whole stream. I have the actual message, just the message itself on my page, on my video. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Okay, so we'll go back to Twitter here, and yeah, see what we got going on. Okay. Everywhere I go, I bring that voltage. Shout out, shout out. Happy 1 year anniversary. We got Rodney, another guy that talks about Volt. And yeah, man, we got big things happening, okay? Big things happening in the background. We got, Volt sponsoring Big Cat on Modern Day Warrior. That movie is gonna be coming out. Check it out when it comes out, okay? Retweet this. All right, guys. You guys be active in the community, man. It really helps push Volt out there. We want the world to know about Volt. You know what I mean? Shout out to Crypto Latina, man. Shout out to you. Thank you for the support. I really want to thank you for sending the Volt Army to my page, to my Twitter. Shout out to everybody who followed, to who subscribed. Shout out to you, Crypto Latina. Muchas gracias, you know what I mean? Mad love, for real, mad love. And y'all check her page out. I actually have it posted up, linked right here, look. Crypto Latina, okay? She's got a lot of good content on Vogue, a lot of good content on everything. Anything she puts out is dope, man. I love her vibe, real dope vibe, you know what I mean? She's real cool, man. Cool peoples, yo, from what I could tell, you know what I mean? Never met her, but she's real cool. She's got a lot of Volt in Spanish too. She also, bilingual page here. You know what I mean? So check it out, man. We got a lot of people that put in time to talk about Volt and to bring Volt to the community, and so people can know about it. You know what I mean? I work, I day trade, and I try to get as much video as I can on to you guys. And yeah, guys. So shout out to all the people that are promoting Volt, that are working to get this project out and heard. You know what I mean? We want to get as many people on board before it takes off. So yeah. So okay, guys. So listen. You can go through this Twitter page. You can see what we got going on. You got tons of people putting out content. Maybe there's something that I haven't put out that I might have missed. You can check and see if they put it up. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, listen, we on 100 exchanges already. Okay, For those of you who are not part of the Vote Army, we are on 100 exchanges. Okay, the developer Vatoshi that we have has kept his word to the fullest. Okay, that's all I have for y'all right now. Kind of keeping the video short, but if you could please like and subscribe if this was informational for you. If you are a part of the Vote Army, hit that like button. If you're invested in Vote, hit that like button. If you're not invested in Vote, hit that like button. You know what I mean? And if you're not invested in Vote, what's up with you, man? Get into Vote. All right? It's all about that Vote Army, bro. You want to be part of this beautiful, beautiful community, and don't want to miss out on the big gains that are coming with this project. You know what I mean? Not only that, we help out and give charity and give back to the community. You know, Vatoshi is just an amazing developer, and you can't go wrong with this project. Not financial advice. All right, y'all. Y'all be safe. Have a blessed day. Peace.
I got me some Vote. I got me some Vote. I got me some Vote. You should get you some Vote.